job making a 3D-like animated terrain. Yeah. David, teach our viewer to make the 3D like animated terrain. It looks like it can be used for a first-person shooter animation or game or something. Is it that? Is it right?
Yes, of course.
Now let's learn it. Okay.
Now we go to the file, new, and we choose this size for the GIF animation. Just use the resolution of 72 pixels per inch. And then using this ruler, Control R, divide into 2. Okay, and this one is 2. Then we copy this texture. You can use any texture, but make sure it does not too complicated. And this one isn't. Okay, zoom it out, and then copy this into 2 layers. First click right and convert it to smart object. And then you make it up here, duplicate them, and put it right there. Make sure you won't make any gap. Then selecting those two by pressing Shift, then free transform, enlarge it there. Zoom it out, free transform again, and then you enlarge it here. Pay attention to the blue line, and then there it is. You must make this 1, 2, 3 dots in the same vertical, and this one in the same horizontal blue line. Okay. see, it's already like that. And then press Control E. Later, you make a new layer which have select modify feather 30 is okay. Then you put a black color here. So people will imagine what is behind. They see only black here. You can cut this if you want. You can change it into sky or whatever you want. And then as this too light, we can brightness contrast it and reduce the brightness like this. Okay. And then this one is nicer. And then create a frame animation. If you don't see this button, create frame animation, you can find it in the window timeline. Activate it. Timeline. And you press the create frame animation. Then you change the second into 0.1 second, and the time is not once, it won't be once but forever as a looping. And then you press duplicate the first frame, copy this. This is the first, so it shows the first, and this one the second, it should show the second. And then Control T as a free transform. Press Alt and put the center there, and keep pressing Alt again, pressing Shift. There you go. And then do another frame. First, second, for the third, you do the same free transform, put it up the center and enlarge it by pressing Alt and Shift. There you go. You can make 4 or 3 times 3 frames. Copy this. It will be the fourth. First, second, third, and fourth. On the fourth animation, you do the same again. Repeat it. Okay. Now let's play it. I don't know whether it's good or not, or if we remove this third, fourth, what is the effect? Does it look more natural? We should try. This one is better, or previously better. I think 3 animation is enough, and it's better, I think. Okay. So you see, this is a tutorial of Photoshop making a 3D-like animated terrain. And I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it's useful to you. Okay? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Snake.